In other news, floods and landslides in Sumatra have been described as an ecological disaster, blamed on massive deforestation and poor watershed management. Indonesia has revoked the permits of dozens of companies accused of worsening the crisis. But as Saiful Bahri Ismail reports, it may not be enough to curb forest exploitation.
This is the Dead River. It's the new name for North Aceh's network of rivers, a stark symbol of the devastation left by last year's disaster. A vast carpet of timber now covers its surface, a visible reminder of how environmental damage and extreme weather can collide. Illegally logged timber often has clean flat ends from chainsaw cuts rather than the jagged edges of natural breakage. When floods hits, timber like this can be swept downstream, becoming a devastating battering ram, destroying everything in its path. Rustam was alerted as floodwaters began to rise. He quickly evacuated his family to higher ground, leaving everything behind. When the waters receded, the 50-year-old returned home, only to find it gone.
Waktu itu bukan hanyut rumah saya, tertimpa balok-balok itu. Pertama kali terobos ke rumah-rumah kami di daerah sini, sampai kayu ini ke Sungai Mati sana. Setelah sampai ke Sungai Mati, diroboh rumah-rumah warga hampir 400 lebih.
The disaster in Sumatra was worsened by widespread deforestation in the upper watersheds, where illegal logging turned heavy rain into violent currents. A forest's lush canopy acts like nature's umbrella. When it rains, a network of roots absorbs and holds water, anchoring the soil in place. But when trees are cut down, that protection disappears. With no roots to absorb water and hold the soil, rainwater surges across the land and swells rivers downstream. At the same time, loose, unanchored soil and massive volumes of water create a deadly recipe for landslides. The government has acknowledged deforestation's role in the disaster and launched a sweeping environmental audit.
We decided to revoke the licenses of 28 corporations which had licenses over 1.01 million hectares. We found them violating laws. They were building plantations on protected forests. This is a flagrant undermining of the rule of law.
The government plans to transfer the revoked concessions to Sovereign Wealth Fund Danantara, saying the move will centralize and strengthen green economic management. But critics argue the plan risks concentrating even more power in state hands.
Danantara itu diciptakan dengan tujuan untuk menghasilkan profit bagi negara Indonesia. Tujuannya ekonomis. Kalau kemudian itu dialihkan untuk kemudian dikelola agar mendapatkan ekonomis, ya apa bedanya? Yang saya atau kami inginkan adalah itu diubah menjadi kawasan hutan lindung, kawasan hutan khusus yang memang tidak lagi dipergunakan untuk kepentingan-kepentingan ekonomi.
In February, the government launched ASRI, an environmental program aimed at restoring land and forests.
Itu juga sangat penting ya untuk penanaman kembali pohon-pohon yang daerah-daerah yang sudah gundul ya. Di lingkungan masyarakat sendiri pun itu juga kita ada program ASRI dari pemerintah pusat untuk penanaman pohon kembali di lingkungan masyarakat supaya itu menjadi pelindung. Artinya itu sebagai sebuah upaya mitigasi juga ya.
In Gedumba village, efforts are underway to clear the vast timber field clogging the river. A local NGO is repurposing some of the wood to build temporary homes for displaced residents. But concerns remain over the massive amount of timber still left in the river.
Sekarang itu kan udah jadi Sungai Mati sekarang. Di bawahnya masih ada air. Dan informasi dari warga setempat juga kan, itu banjir itu kadang banjir tahunan, Pak. Jadi sewaktu-waktu pastinya ketika air naik ke sini lagi, pasti kayu tersebut akan naik lagi. Itu yang kita takutkan, Pak. Nanti di suatu hari nanti kayu itu naik lagi, menyapu rumah-rumah warga lagi kan.
This dead river is more than debris. It's the visible cost of unchecked exploitation. The question now is whether reform will take root or whether the next storm will again turn profit into peril. Safubar Ismail, CNA North Aceh, Indonesia.